Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Dari mobile app works and whether it's worth using for booking home services in Saudi Arabia and Dubai. Dari is a home services platform that lets users book a wide range of services including cleaning, maintenance, beauty treatments, pest control, laundry, car wash, and AC repair. The app is popular in cities like Riyadh, Jeddah, Dammam, and also serves areas in the UAE like Dubai. It connects customers with licensed and verified professionals who handle various home care needs. One of the strongest points of the app is its wide service coverage and ease of booking. Users can schedule appointments quickly through a clean and user-friendly interface. The professionals listed on the platform are licensed and background checked, which adds to customer trust. Pricing is generally competitive, and services are often available at short notice. However, there are some downsides. Service quality can vary based on the provider. Some users report issues such as professionals arriving late, incomplete jobs, or using poor equipment for tasks like deep cleaning or installations. Customer support also receives mixed reviews, with some users mentioning delays in resolving complaints or poor follow-up. Overall, Dari is a convenient choice if you're in a supported city and want fast access to a variety of home services. But due to occasional issues with service consistency and support, it's good to check reviews of individual providers before booking. If you have any questions or feedback about the Dari app, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or other inquiries, refer to the description for email.